para sa lahat ng young and young at hearts ang Shout Out!
That is right, kahit ang mga mommies and daddies out there, chance na makibond with your kids. Kaya tutukan nyo lang ang show na to dahil kahit anong forma nyo, kahit old school, kahit K-pop, hip-hop, pasok yan dito sa Shout Out!
Tama yan! At dahil dyan, sinabi mo, isang buong episode tayo magpopormahan.
Pormahan ba?
At mga girls naman, ipapakita ang kikay side nila. Dahil ang shoutout natin for today ay...
Most requested forma!
Mga pormahan pala to.
Yeah, at syempre dahil most requested pa rin tayo, buong linggo, ito ang tanong natin sa teammates natin today. Anong most requested forma nyo ngayong taon?
Ikaw,
guys, ikaw.
Enzo.
Bilang ikaw ang icon of the youth. Parang
Alam naman ako na. Ano forma mo?
Ano ba forma mo?
Oh, jeans,
Usually.
t-shirt, gano'n lang. Stylish yet affordable.
Pwede. Tama.
Ikaw.
Para naman kung ano yung
Tama yan.
sinusuot natin dito sa shoutout, pwede rin suotin ng mga ka-teammates natin.
Ito yung tanong. Pag natutulog ka, anong suot mo?
Ba't
Okay.
mo tinatanong?
Oh, for the boys
Wala
to.
lang.
For the boys.
Ba?
Ikaw ba?
Para may kasama tayo. Ano?
boxers. Oh, di ba?
Si Bianca nandyan.
Oh, Bianca, ikaw.
Mamaya. Sa dressing room
Oh, sige,
tayo.
Bianca lang.
Hindi, usually na sinusuot mo.
Papakita tayo ng mga teammates ng iba't ibang forma at may fashion tips na patok ngayong 2011. Kaya tutok lang kayo mga teammates!
Alright! Pero ngayon, isang maangas na unang pasabog naman muna ang ibibida sa atin ng mga teammates. Ngayon, syempre. Kaya guys, let's get it on! Ito na, sina Hannah, Nell, Lynn, Young, Javin, Trisha, Ivan, Yen, and Jaco.
Kasama ang most requested new trio, Empress, Sam, and Erin!
Keep rocking and keep knocking. Whether you Louis Vuitton it up or Reebokin, you see that hate that they serving on a platter. So what we gon' have, dessert or disaster?
Never thought I'd be in love like this. When I look at you, my mind goes on a trip. Then you came in and knocked me on my face. Just like I'm in a race, but I already won first place. I never thought I'd fall for you as hard as I did. As hard as I did, yeah. Got me thinking about a life I haven't lived. Every morning I look at you and smile before you came around, and you knock me down. Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down.
Knocks you down.
Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down.
I never thought I'd keep myself safe. Y'all go ahead. I think I'm gonna kick it with my girl today. See, I used to be commander-in-chief for my pimp ship flying high. Till I met this pretty little missile, shot me out the sky. Hate to know I'm crashing, don't know how it happened, but you know it feels so damn good. Said if I could go back, make it happen faster. Don't you know I would, baby, if I could. Listen to the fullest, although never too much. She did it fullest, she shot the bullet that ended that life. I swear to you, the pimp in me just died tonight, girl.
Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down. Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down.
How could I gotta ask someone that's only average for a fight? OMG, you listen to that? Woe is me, baby, this is tragic. Cause we had it, we was magic. I was flying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad, Michael Jackson. Now I'm mad, real mad, Joe Jackson. Usually your boyfriend now, I'm a asking. Comes around, yeah. Oh, when it knocks you down, so love comes around. When it knocks you down, just get back up. When it knocks you down, knocks you down.